Yeah, family. So we're there upon our brother come on a farm. Back again, last Sunday, we come here to get some greens. Today, we're actually there to get some, we're going to have a Sunday brunch at the JamRock, so we want to get the fresh and the realest thing, you know what I mean, to your plate. So we come to get some callaloo family, wild grown, As you know, in Jamaica, we'll be eating callaloo with what? Fried dumpling or bread. Our bread crushed up in the side, yeah.
Or some steamed callaloo rice.
Callaloo rice.
Pepper pot soup.
Pepper pot soup.
Yeah, man.
Callaloo
is the thing.
So this is how we use callaloo for in a Jamaica family. So we bring the same culture, yeah.
Pepper pot soup, steamed greens,
yeah.
callaloo and cabbage,
yeah.
callaloo and saltfish, and callaloo patty.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh, callaloo patty nice dog.
Yeah,
that's my favorite. That's the dog.
When
they come out with callaloo dog. The callaloo patty dog, we used to run that down dog with a nice vegetarian option that dog.
We used to Tanzania.
Eh.
In Tanzania, used to sell callaloo patties.
Yeah.
You understand? And used to go on good cop.
Yeah.
You used to buy them like trays, boxes of
Boxes,
patties.
Yeah. Yeah, family, so there we are reason and slogan and tell me say, yo, you know what I mean, back in the days when the slave master, them colonizer, them gone from Jamaica, so every citizen of Jamaica, already slave will come from West Africa,
Yeah.
them have two choice. Either you take piece of land or you get money.
Yes.
So there's people are asking money, some take land.
Alright, I'm telling you now. You see, this is how me learn, and for those who born in the 60s, 70s,
Yeah.
50s, can come out and talk in the comment section. This is what me learned when I was in Jamaica. My people and elders, not just my people, but elders, old people tell me that back in the days when the slave masters used to be in Jamaica,
Yeah.
when they were leaving, they used to sign over the land to a lot of people. So some people get 10 acre, 1 acre, whatever you want.
Whatever you want,
Because they can't pay you the money that they owe you.
Yeah. So yeah.
They're slave and they can't pay you.
Yeah.
So what they did is they said, okay then, I'm gonna give you from here go all the way 2 miles full of land. So like 2 miles of roads and 2 sides you have lands. So some people get 1 acre, 50 acre, 100 acre, a whole community.
Yeah.
And people said, some people turn out and say they don't want no land.
They want money.
They want money. No. They will say what this can do.
What can do? Yeah.
This can't do nothing. Because you see, the thing is, I was talking to my friends earlier.
Yeah.
You have to set a foundation for the younger youths them that's coming up.
Yeah.
Our children's, great children's and grandchildren's.
Yeah.
Because our people didn't set no foundation for we.
Yeah.
You
So
understand?
You come here with nothing.
Nothing. When they get the land,
Yeah.
they give away the land or they refuse it.
Yeah.
Just for a few shillings.
Yeah, just for a few pounds.
Yeah,
Back in the
or
days.
maybe they say give me 10 cow instead of land.
And 10 pounds.
10 goat.
10 pounds.
No, they don't get so much, they get shillings.
Right,
They
yeah,
get
back here, shillings.
So
yeah.
you get like 2 shillings,
Whatever
10
it is.
shillings, maybe 100 shillings, you know what I mean? So they give away the land which is worth millions today.
Yeah.
You see, so we grew up to have nothing at all.
Not because sometimes them sell it, sometimes our parents never take none.
Yeah,
Sometimes then take.
They don't want
and
to, so what am I doing land there, so they want the money enough to buy food and stuff.
Yeah.
So they're not looking out for the future. Like we who come up now, we could have inherit that land and we could have build estates or build up apartments or maybe a community or something. Or the government want to put a road or antenna or something on that land. It could be paying us money like thousands of dollars per month, millions per month. But we didn't inherit nothing. So now I'm telling you guys that if you have a piece of land, it doesn't matter where it is. It could be in the lake. Secure it.
Hold it.
Hold it, because here's going to come
Yeah.
that they're going to need. Here's going to come that you guys going to look back at that land and say, yo, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Even me, when I was younger, I'm telling you, when I was like 10 years of age,
Yeah.
I got a house,
Yeah.
half acre of land
Yeah.
for myself. Right now it's in sentence.
Yeah.
Half acre land, a place called Muslal.
Yeah.
Muslal, yeah.
Yeah.
In the countryside. And because, young youth, we get land, 1 4-bedroom house, and the land with a lot of trees and stuff. I farm it up.
Yeah.
There was trees there before, but I do all the farming at the age of 10.
Yeah.
I've been doing farming in my place.
Yeah.
Coconut tree, cinnamon tree, banana, everything you can think of, I plant it there. Right beside church.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you right now, that place value $1 million.
Yeah.
And I don't have nothing to show. It's not even mine anymore. I heard that some other people capture it because at the age of 10,
So you
left.
see your name in the nothing, the documents?
No, because me leave, me say I don't want it.
You see you don't want it so?
Yeah, be young. Yo, remember my youth? My kids.
Yeah.
Age of 10, 11, you get
So
half acre land. We never have no parents because my mom is in the overseas.
So who did I give the land?
My grand aunt. So my grand aunt she died right now. R.I.P. to her. Hope her soul rests in heaven. So she was the one. She said, "This is going to be for you." She's going to pass.
But you still can't go there and get it in a slogan. You can't go to tax office and make somebody survey
I'm
it.
not paying no tax. So
Yeah, you're going to clear the tax money and get it. You can't get it.
We can go see.
Once you
if
trace
you're
it.
not paying tax,
Yeah.
then we can pay the tax that own the land and we can control it.
Yeah.
Right now, to get land from people in Jamaica is a problem. It causes war, it causes vibes. You know, land is always a problem from history days coming up. From Jesus days coming up. Caesars, those guys fighting. So
yeah, family. So I saw it said, man. I saw it said, family.
Secure your land from
I want you to secure your land. But we're on a piece of land right now. We get some callaloo to put by your plate. You know what I mean? Tomorrow, Sunday brunch. Every Sunday, JamRock come out and we can have a good time. So you can cut me some of this. Come on, I say man his way. There's this one, the terere. The wild one. So cut me some of them. Meanwhile, we're there and wait for him to come. So when him come, we can just move. Alright, family. So, you know what I mean? Like, share, and comment on the video.
Okay, fine.
So, the man and the hour is here, family. The man with the farm.
You're getting your...
Yeah, terere. Yeah, I want some terere today alone.
Yeah.
I'll take that.
Are you sure that's all you want?
Yeah, so terere, you want pumpkin leaf through slogan.
You want the wild ones?
Yeah, man, wild. Everything wild.
Oh,
wild and wild.
You took the wild ones.
Yes, the other day. Yeah.
We need just like last time, we mix them. You get wild and wild.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh yeah, now my brother said, you know, he was saying, come on, he was actually in a hurry to meet you, but he thought you were tourists. Said, no.
Budget, yeah. Oh, you cook sweet potato leaf slogan? Yeah, family, so I'm getting some callaloo, as you can see it grow. My brother David there is chopping it. Yeah. So, record, I'm going to take like 3 kg then. I carry them some. I carry them, yeah. So 3 kg.
Oh,
yeah.
Don't worry.
He said that you're going to
Saturday.
He said that you were going to take care of this stuff, and then when we come,
So come on, you're coming this week? You're coming this week? The brunch, you have a brunch.
Yes, I'll try and bring my cousin along.
Yeah, man, try to bring everybody who you can. The other guy coming, what's his name again?
Okay.
Yeah, the virgin are coming there last week.
the other guy that came last week, what's his name? I can't remember his name.
Yeah, Andrew.
Andrew, yeah.
He's coming?
I'll tell him to come.
Yeah, tell him.
I'm going to give you some other on the house, some other leaves that you can find on the house.
Okay, what kind of leaf?
Plants.
Oh, spider plant.
You have the spider plant in his house also.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You had a good picture of those leaves. Those are sweet potato. Now, this is
Yeah.
another kind of sweet potato. So they must be very specific.
See?
Oh, this one is edible.
What one is it?
Yeah. This is also sweet. These are also sweet potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So one looks like a love heart. Okay, and there is this one here. So which one? Or we just give you a mix?
No, give me that one.
Okay.
I'm not used to this one.
Yeah, from the last time I eat a bird pepper, let me eat another one today. I'm there on the farm. Fresh from the farm into my mouth.
But we have a problem. You see how nice and green it is? Yes. Okay. Which are very expensive.
Really?
Yes. So I want to sell this as fodder.
This is a leaf. Yes, there's a leaf.
Okay. I want to sell this to anyone who has got mini cows.
Oh.
Sell these leaves here.
Yeah, family, so you hear that? So if you have cows, and you're coming from the diaspora and you is like a vegetarian, vegan, you can come here to get your fresh greens right here.
Yeah.
And Cambo Redress. It's not too far. My place just right there, so, and the farm is just so.
And you guys are saying Kiambu, not Cambu,
Kiambu.
Yes,
Kiambu.
Yes. Kiambu.
We know we Jamaicans will make
No,
up.
no.
Kiambu.
It is. Listen, Kiambu.
Kiambu.
There's a Kiambu.
So how big is Kiambu, come on? Huh?
It's out of the three. Okay, this is central Kenya.
Yeah.
So out of the how many is it? 3 or 4 districts. We have Kiambu. We have Muranga. We have Kirinyaga.
So they all connect together.
Okay, and we have Nyeri. Those are all kings.
Ah, those are like one big landmass.
Yes, different dialects, but we're
different
the same
thing.
people.
Ah, okay.
Kiambu is the largest.
Ah.
And most economically, it is the richest.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
out of the 4 districts.
So Kiambu is the richest county in Kenya?
Yes, it is.
Okay,
One
okay.
of. I don't know whether it's
One of.
Okay, it's Nairobi County is number 1. There is Mombasa County number 2, and quite possibly Kiambu County number 3.
Yeah.
Although people might say no, it's Kiambu and then Mombasa.
no,
No, I think it's Mombasa first.
No, I think it's Kiambu. I think it's Kiambu.
I think it's Mombasa.
So two of them think it's Kiambu. I think it's
Coast is rich,
Kiambu.
you know.
Yeah.
And there are a lot of hotels and stuff on the coast.
But nowadays,
Yeah, stuff.
Kiambu is no man's. Yes, it traditionally belonged to the Kikuyu, but today it's very cosmopolitan.
Okay,
Any tribe who whatever calls Kiambu their place.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
But it's normally a Kikuyu land.
Yes, it is. It is.
Like Nairobi is a Maasai land.
It was. So now it's what? Nairobian lands? It was. So they sell it out or what? Or like, what
It
happened?
was a place of water. Water kept on moving.
Okay.
With the herds, and because you've seen the rains.
Yeah.
What happens to the city?
Flooded. Yeah.
Okay, so this is where they used to bring their animals as they used to cross
Okay.
over.
To Tanzania?
Maybe.
Yeah, because Tanzania, a lot of Mosa is in Tanzania too.
Perhaps more perhaps to the east,
east.
of Kenya, in search of pasture.
So the east is where? Like a popular county?
Ukambani,
Machakos.
side,
Okay.
that side over there.
Okay. Kajiado?
Yes, Kajiado is.
Yeah.
East, okay, so they'll bring their cows here and then they go migrate to Laikipia, wherever there is rain and pasture.
Yeah, because they want green is for the cattle.
Yes.
They want to get the whatever
Fresh green. Here.
Yeah, although today I would really prefer that the crisscross of cattle stops.
on the road.
Because these animals, as they go around, yes, it's the traditional way, but there's some traditions perhaps that could be reviewed.
Yeah.
I'm not saying it's bad, it could be reviewed. Most of these cows are, they go on their hoofs, they go spreading disease. Foot and mouth and everything.
Yeah.
So as they keep going, you might find they leave diseases, and when the local livestock come and start grazing, they pick up those diseases.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So and also because cattle is a wealth. It's a wealth indicator. I don't think in Kenya have done enough to exploit that opportunity that is that comes with the keeping of cattle like Botswana.
Yeah.
Botswana is good in
But on the other hand, okay, which African country other than South Africa perhaps, okay, actually allocates a lot of its expendiagriculture on agriculture?
Yeah, that's true.
I would even think in the Caribbean, they try to de-emphasize agriculture.
Agriculture, that's so true.
The national government does not want to, but because they've been told. IMF, and World Bank. If you want our money, then you're gonna have to put a lot of your money doing this and that.
GMO and stuff.
Yes, GMO, and also, as you know, these people do not want us to feed ourselves.
Yeah.
Because telling an African with a full stomach,
yeah,
okay, do this and this, we say up yours.
Yeah.
Yes, for real. You can't control Africa with a full stop.
Yes.
Okay.
But
family.
But I actually have to emphasize that agriculture is just so important. It is estimated that by 2030 we will be importing about $1 trillion worth of food.
Wow.
This continent. Okay. Now that's a shame.
That's a shame. Yeah.
Yeah. That is a shame.
We should be exporting, not importing.
Exactly.
Yes.
So we have to come here and fix that as
all that money should be here.
as
here.
Yeah, as a new community.
That should be coming in by exporting.
Because Africa is the
and going
most
out by
fertile
importing.
land worldwide, so why we have to, you know what I mean? It's crazy.
Why importing
And the
from
most
Africa?
empty land,
It doesn't
you
make
know what I
no
mean? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it makes no sense,
Now
family.
they're telling us, what is it, that when it comes to seeds, it was in the papers.
Yeah?
Okay, they're trying to say, you know, like your neighbor, you're trying to say, hey neighbor, let's exchange seeds.
Really?
All right? Okay, I'll give you these seeds, you give me that. You cannot do that.
Oh, really?
Really?
It's going to, according to the law that is being proposed.
What you
which
saying
is
to me?
bullshit.
Government.
Okay, which is bullshit.
Yeah.
You and indigenous farmers cannot trade or exchange
The
seeds.
seeds.
Multiply.
Okay, and you certainly cannot have, I think it also goes with the lines that you cannot use your indigenous seeds to propagate more. Yeah,
It's crazy. It's crazy, man.
Yes. Okay, so this is just another one of their efforts to make sure that we are reliant on
Yeah.
GMO,
GMO
or other
seeds,
modified food.
Buy the seeds from
to buy
them.
the-
Yeah.
Or else we try to exchange seed from my land to your land, they charge us. And they
Yeah,
charge
yeah.
us some crazy money.
Yes. Okay.
Just to scare people away.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, family. So you hear it for yourself. You know what I mean? That we have to try to do some farming, some backyard farming. You can get something and set it up like this in your yard if you want. You plant up your greens, the organic and the natural way, family.
These
Yeah.
are the new spinach seedlings. Planted them just today.
Yeah, just today.
Just today. We had to remove the other ones.
Mm-hmm.
They were not doing well. So as you can see, we put a new layer of.
All right, family. So let's get those greens and get out of here because we have to go to actually, you know what I mean, to prepare for this Sunday brunch at the JamRock. This and every Sunday at JamRock. The brunch is on with One Love Africa. So subscribe to the channel, family. And Jam Tours Africa. You know what I mean? We are bring it up and we are soup it up. Yeah, family. So last week we got some sweet potato. It's very nice. It's very nice sweet potato. I'm gonna pick some sweet potato if we can find. These are the greens, family. These are the greens. Alright, family. Like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts. We are out. One love. Bless. You know what I mean? Let's go. So we're gonna leave the farm. We're gonna go to a wholesale. I have to go to the market to pick up a few stuff for the pudding. You know spider plant?
No, sir.
You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, families. So we are pack up.
Red pepper.
Yeah.
And we are
also
we not
have, what
cut.
is it? I don't know whether you have, we call it African nightshade. Most of the nightshades in Europe and America are poisonous.
Oh, really? Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, nightshade leaves
Let me
manago.
pick some.
Yeah, family. So you hear that?
Manago.
Manago is what? This one?
Yes, we don't have manago, unfortunately.
Yeah.
One thing that the birds
So,
like.
Ricardo, you get 2 sweet potato. You can take them too, yeah? Yeah, 2 sweet potato there. All right, family. Let's go. When you come, family, you get a greens for a kilo is 50 shillings. So this we have 2 kilo here for 100 shillings and 2 kilo here for
You, my sack,
200.
you forgot to give me my sack. I don't have to charge you for that.
it's in the back of the car.
Okay, now
So this
we
is called kunde.
Spider plant.
No, this is saga.
Saga.
Yeah.
Saga.
Spider plant. Plant. Okay. So just
So when you cook it, the leaves.
yeah, don't worry, they'll show you how to cook it.
You just pick the leaf, cook it.
Okay, so we have now. What else did you want? You wanted.
That was it. I think.
This and this. Oh yeah, pili pili.
Oh, yeah, give me some pili pili. Spice it up.
No, it's not for you.
It's for who?
For me. For pili pili.
So we don't need pepper for the restaurant, dog.
And gosh, yes.
We get one thing last week and gone with everything.
Yeah.
So this time I get every carry out now.
Yeah, we can get some to put.
Yeah, you can get some. You come back
All right, family.
You
Like,
come
share,
back
and
again, come
comment.
eat pepper.
Hot.
Yeah, man, hot.
Yeah.
Hot grabber, hot grabber, hot grabber.
In fact, those things they're actually pretty hot.
That man.
It's hot. You can't finish it. You take one bite and can't go no further.
Yeah, family. So we get the greens there. I pack them up here now while we head on to the market. Try to get some stuff for the brunch. You know what I mean, tomorrow at JamRock. This and every Sunday. We at Jam Tours and One Love Africa will be doing a brunch at the JamRock Restaurant. We're just gonna switch up the menu a little bit and give you more variety at Jamaica. Variety is the spice of life, and that's what we want to preach and teach, family. So That's how they are, family. And our brother farm. Come on. This is a farm, you know, on a piece of land that worth billions of dollars. As you can see where we're at. We're actually in redress like Kembu City, like uptown Kembu. That's where we're at. Uptown Kembu. So it's the uptown Jamaica, family. Alright, family, like, share and comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let's go. Family, so we're there with another Jamaican brother. He comes straight from Jamaica. And he must say, yo, Kenya look like foreign. Yeah. So he must drive through with Jam Tours. And he must see the place and he must say, yo, Jano Star. He want to leave from Tanzania like yesterday. When him see what go on and see how things, you know what I mean? How we are drive on clean and pretty road in Kenya.
We have a big hype car massive on the road, you know.
And you must have a big hype car massive.
You don't come like when we there Jamaica.
Be SUV.
Be a late car and them thing there, you know.
Like yard.
Hey, like yard. Like Jamaica, my brother.
Yeah, man, you must say Jamaica and there with Jam Tours. Yeah, family, so we're there and we are actually a make a flex. We actually heading to the market, family. I will just show him what I go on. The first time I drive from that side, yeah. So I show him what I go on and I make him know what I go on. First time I drive and I see what I go on.
You're not going nowhere yet.
You're not going nowhere yet. Yeah, family, so yeah. You say I want to move from Tanzania right now. I'm forward.
Over here, so.
Over here, so with Jam Tours. Yeah, forward.
Bring the whole yard vibe. We're ready to start a promotion team already.
Yeah, man, a promotion team. Yeah, man, we bring Jamaican artists for you, family. We will be bringing Jamaican artists. And I so Ricardo, this is Karura Forest over here, so.
Oh, I said it.
Yeah, Karura Forest is right there.
Okay. Yes, you gave me.
Karura Forest.
Give me first.
Come on, over there nice. I mean, I go over there and look near me live. Right, how they cut down over there? Seems like they want to make it more open. So you can see what's going on over there. Looks like they want to make it more open, family. But it used to be bush up there, and I feel like nothing over there, some forest.
Some cooking.
Yeah, family, so.
Some jungle cooking.
So we want to go to some yardman Jamaican outdoor cooking, family.
We are cooking survival cooking. Anything we catch, that we are cook.
Catch and cook.
Catch and cook.
A leaf alone you catch over that forest.
Anything we find. We want lizard. Yeah. We want snake. Catch and cook. I bring knife, pot, lighter, and season only.
Yeah.
Anything we catch, we are cook.
Yeah, we go shoot bird.
Anything.
Pass me the slingshot.
Pass the bingy. Where you come with the slingy?
Come on, tingy. Boy, I love tingy. Yeah, man, so we're there, family, and we are going in
right now we got
Parklands. We are going to Parklands. We'll show you what we're going, family, with Jam Tours Africa. We're there.
Place green
and nice. Green
good.
City.
Cool,
fresh vegetarian. Cool area. Fresh air.
No chemical, no smoke, nothing at all.
Yeah, police
no pollution.
Police not terrorize you.
No pollution over
yeah, family. So, you know what I mean? It's the freedom you want. And you can get it. Tanzania, then tap you a lot. Yeah, man, then tap you a lot of Tanzania. When I was there, just going to the Uber dog, the man stopped me at my passport and that bullshit, man.
Yes.
Yeah, in a Uber and the police are stopping the dog. But they
what
don't say a foreigner.
What they do now?
What they do? Tell me.
Come and talk to you in Swahili.
Yeah.
To see if you understand.
Yeah.
They have no reason to see and talk to you. They just come up and like try to start a conversation.
Oh yeah?
In Swahili, yeah. I say, oh, you respond. You respond in English.
Yeah.
Then they say, how long are you here for? Let me see your passport.
Yeah. But over here, so Kenyan police don't ask your passport.
All the rocker one.
Well,
the corporate one.
Depend, yeah. Because them say they can eat our food, but
yeah, they can hustle you.
But police normally not supposed to ask you your passport. Immigration are supposed to deal with it.
Immigration is supposed to deal with that, not police officers.
Yeah.
As long as you're not doing no wrongdoing and you're good, you're alright.
Yeah. But if you do something wrong now, then now they might, you know what I mean?
If you're doing something wrong,
they want to see your ID and all kind of
stuff
thing.
like that. Yes.
Stuff like that. Yeah, family. So it's a Saturday in Kenya, Saturday evening, and me I drive go out.
Yes, I should have gone to. Yeah, man. Nice queen, you know? They get married, that's the discipline and child thing.
Nice sweet child girl. Okay, I'm going to village to find my husband.
Yeah, family, some man say one go village go find wife. That's how we
I'm
are.
like village, go give my village girl. For real, look out more for that channel. I bring him in the village and you can pick and choose a queen.
Yeah.
Wife shopping in the village.
Yeah, family, so as you can see guys, we still up on a road called Tika Road, right?
Yeah.
The Tika Road.
Tika Road.
And it's actually driving in Nairobi, family. You have to be skilled than a land skill school. But once you drive in Jamaica, you can actually drive anywhere. With a big motor to push you from side to side. So this is Matare Road, 1 Gigi. This is 1 Gigi.
Tiger roads.
Yeah, Motaiga. Battery are dead. Dead. The girl are giving me head. Yeah, family, so this is actually Kenyan. We actually heading to a place called Parklands, next to Westlands, and then after Westlands you have Kimbo. You see how fast it was to come into Nairobi? Very fast.
We're trying to find something.
Alright family, like, share and comment on the video. Check out One Love Africa and subscribe to JamRock.
One Love.
One Love Africa.
Number 1. LOVE. Love Africa.
Yeah.
Go and subscribe, like and share. If you do not want to subscribe, still share the video to others so they can actually subscribe to support.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So, like, share and comment on the video. My battery are dead, so just record until it stops. As you can see, heading to Parklands right now. So Parklands, and not Marklands, and not down Parklands. This is a bike mania.
Okay. Alright, cool. Alright.
Should go across downtown, but we can't come up.
Turn up to some turn. Let's go and chop it. The building, I love Nairobi building, the family.
Yo, you think we can get something for 45,000?
Apartment?
Yeah, 3 bedroom.
It's hard to get a 3 bedroom for 45,000. It's not easy. Unless you're not going to live near the hospital.
Unless you're gonna go outside in the village.
Outside, you can get outside like the other places, not in Nairobi.
Not yeah, no.
Okay, it's
not in the
like
village.
You want to live near the hospital?
Yeah, like Ruaka is alright, you know.
Ruaka is alright.
Yeah.
Yes, you can
On
get
the
something.
outskirt of Ruaka.
Outskirt, yeah.
Like banana and them.
You can have banana.
Yeah.
Me never got banana yet, but me say them have good cheap house over there. But me say what they're too safe.
Yeah.
So they know how true it is.
I think about safe, man. God will do it, man.
No matter where you go, if you're going to the lion's mouth, once Jah guide you, if you're going to the lion's mouth, if you're going to the lion's mouth, family, once Jah guide you, the lion can't close that mouth. That mouth have to stay open, family. Alright, family. Yeah, family, so we stop at Surge Center. Because the boy Chef Ricardo from One Love Africa said he want a grater. So we're there in our Westlands.
Make the pudding.
Yeah, so
To make the pudding, you have to have a grater for great time.
yeah.
Blend it.
Yeah.
To be great.
That would be great. Yeah, family. So then in Westlands, a place called Surge Center. The first time someone here come in a Surge Center. They might feel like say oh. Family, so we're there, a Surge Center. And we'll get a greater family.
You said